So I'm just going to airbrush the closed peony. I have the airbrush machine here with me. The color I want to do is a flesh tone, which is like a close to a peach color, a little bit on the brown tone, and mostly like the peach. So that's the airbrush color itself. So it's already in the liquid state. I'm going to use that as it is. So that's the airbrush machine, and into the cup I'm going to pour the color. I'm going to keep it like pretty much light. I'm not going to do dark, but a little bit in the center I want to make it a bit more dark, and on the outer I want to keep it light. I just want to start with the bottom, okay, and then I will just go all the way and try and see if I can go inside the petals. But basically I just want to do overall, and if there is some white color of the petal is seen, I'm just going to be fine with it, because overall it's just going to give us the effect that we want. And just in the center I'm going to make it a little darker. I will see how much of the intensity of the color that comes out as I keep airbrushing, and then I will decide how near or far I have to just stay. So the pressure I am using in the trigger is like quite low. I just want to keep it far away for now. And that's a pretty much quicker way to color a flower when you just don't have that much of time to petal dust. And then I'm just going to go, this is good by itself, but let me see if I could just make the center a bit more darker with the same pressure. Just going to stay there for a while. I think that should be enough. So with the center a bit dark, and then we have a mild tone on the outside, and then on the back also. Just want to match up the back. So this looks good now. So a quicker way of coloring up with the airbrushing technique. And we have just finished making our closed peony. See you in the next lesson.